Squealing tires in the Danger Ranger.
Yes.
It's a good thing you've been around here 300, 400, 500 times.
Yeah.
Maybe more.
I might know this mountain a little bit.
Yeah. Hold on to your coffee, boys.
I like to play right at the edge of traction.
Yep.
Oh man, I don't know if we talked about it since this week.
Squeal them.
This one right here will fuck you up if you're not used to it. Because it changes grade and level.
Oh, yeah.
And then this one is worse. So the zippers.
Woo! Woo!
Chill out, get a good shady spots.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Somebody spun out. Oh, that sucks.
Yep. Every weekend.
They got into the wet and spun out.
Playing too hard, didn't know what the hell they were doing.
And we got the slow van.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Go ahead, little Mini Cooper. Munch on some mustard.
Doesn't it open up to 2-lane up here?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
I'll just pause it for... on our tail. Call the Mini Poopa. Outpacing a Mini Cooper and a fucking extended cab 4-wheel drive Ranger. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He's braking hard. Oh, he's on us. Oh, shit. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Take it, take him, take him. Take him, take him. Get it, get it. Oh, shit. Damn it, the Cooper. four squealing, wheeling and dealing. Yeah, baby. Yeah, these fucking all-terrains are gripping.
You barely got me, you little fucker.
That's good shit. Yes. And let off.
Anybody here? Nobody. Damn it. I wanted to see everybody's faces.
Yeah.
Nobody protects you from mayhem like you say. I'm a really big tree here in the garage. Down, I'm a really big tree on your garage and car. And if you don't have the right insurance, the cost to fix this could leave you wishing money grew on trees. So bundle your home and all of your real estate. Save it.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you wanted to be up front. Keep it moving, buddy. Keep it moving.
Braking so early, chicken.
You got a sports car with grippy tires. Go for it.
Rotor. Yeah, at least one warm rotor. That's what that vibration is.
Gotcha.
On brake, feel it.
Yep. I wonder if he's second guessing. There he goes. Right when I say second guessing, he floors it. He just had to be out front. And you're getting outpaced by a Ranger.
It is at least an old school 4.0 Ranger.
Yeah, the real Ranger.
A whole 115, 120 horsepower.
Yeah.
What, 4,000 pounds?